Yeah, what you have observed was I simply pasted the code. The code was available in the description. Go and check for the code, even if you are required with, and we need to deploy it. So deploy for now. Search. Wait. Simple notification service. Simple notification service. What we are creating, what's our topic was? It's notification. So notification. Click on next step. Okay. We are allowing some access policies here. Publisher, anyone, and the subscriber might also be anyone. Based on your requirements, you can check any of these options. Only the topic owner, or they have provided some only for specific AWS accounts, everyone. So I'm going with everyone option. And create my topic. And now go and click on subscriptions. What we are going to create? We are going to create a subscription. Where is our topic? See here, it's showing some topic. What we have created? We have created a topic with the name of notification, right? So click on it. What type of protocol we are using? We are using email. And endpoint, where these, who was the subscriber? You need to provide some mail address, right? I'm providing my mail address for the notification. Let's wait. Here suggestions are also providing. That's my mail address, guys. And now create subscription. Its status was still pending. Let's wait for a second. Your topic, its display name was not okay. Okay guys, it's pending confirmation. Once it was confirmed, then it's good to run. Okay, where is my Lambda, guys? Wait a second. Search for Lambda. We need to add some triggers in it. Send mail, right? Send mail was what? My Lambda function. I'm going to add a trigger. So what's my trigger was? My trigger was an S3 bucket, right? So where is an S3 bucket? Here it was. Click on S3 bucket. What was my bucket name? 3077. And what type it's going to be an event? I'm allowing everything. I'm allowing post, copy, multi-part upload, all object delete events, all restore. I'm allowing every event. Whatever the event will occur, let it be allowed. And then no prefix. Yes, I acknowledge. And it is not mandatory, guys. So add. Let's wait. Yes, your trigger was added. Now we are going to add the destination as simple notification service. And it was notification, and let's save. It was saved. Where is my code? Let's see and run. It's the code. And where is my mail, guys? Let's check in my mail whether I get some notifications or not. Where is my inbox? Yes, let's see. Here it was some subscription and I was get some on AWS. I need to copy this and I need to change it in my code. Here it should be changed. Here it should be changed. Control, and you need to deploy it once more time. And here you need to confirm this notification what we have get. It was AWS subscription. Okay, let's wait. Let's deploy it. It was deployed with my new okay. What we have to do? You have uploaded everything. You need to upload something in an S3 bucket. Where is my S3 bucket? This is my S3 bucket, right? I need to upload something. Once I uploaded something, then I get an notification to my subscription. Let's upload a folder or file. I need to upload a file. So I am uploading a file called some BCT course module. Something I have. It's some study material. Okay, open. It was uploaded successfully. So upload. Wait a second, guys. It is uploading. Yes, it's uploaded successfully. Once it has been uploaded, we have to get a notification to our mail. Check. Yes, I have a notification in my mailbox. Let's see here. See here, I have some notification that the file is uploaded to an S3 bucket with some BCT course module of 5 units. Have you observed it? This is how we get notifications, and this is the use of Lambda functions. And if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you. Goodbye.